All right, guys, what's going on? My name is Creighton Piper. Coming to you live here just really quick. It's almost 10 p.m. It's my bedtime. I haven't slept in days, so I'm going to knock this out as quickly as possible. Um, all right, sounds like the volume is good to go, so let's go ahead and get right into this. It's going to be a short live stream, like I said. We're just going to go over some Bitcoin analysis here very quickly. Not going to take any questions. If you have questions, I guess feel free to ask. Maybe I can address them tomorrow, but tonight, just going to keep this as short and sweet as possible. So last night we did a live stream and we talked about the um, the price of Bitcoin. We were somewhere around in here last night, I believe, and we went over what I thought were the possibilities, what could possibly happen, and one of those possibilities was finally realized. This is about half an hour ago. There was a very pivotal moment for Bitcoin. We tested this trend line yet again, and it held. At least we saw a pretty decent bounce off of the medium-term trend line here. This is going back for at least into November. But anyways, ultimately we sold through it. But then we hit the bottom of this channel here. I had this drawn out last night. These are all the same lines that we had last night during the live stream when we did technical analysis prior. And once again, we respected the channel line there. So I mean, although we did sell through it, we didn't close above it. This is the 30-minute line. So in less than 30 minutes, we were back above it, and now we're back within the bearish channel. But so what this suggests to me is that my initial assumption was correct, and we're still in a bear market, guys. I'm fairly certain. We haven't broken out of this channel yet. Like I said last night, we're gonna have to hit about 16,000 in order to successfully break out, and we really didn't even get close. We hit 15,000 and pretty much established a double top there, sold off, and now it appears like we're on the way down yet again. I wish I could stay up all night and see this through. I'm afraid we're going to see some more selling throughout the night, but I can't. I got to get some sleep. It's been going on for too long. But I just wanted to bring this to you guys because last night there were some people asking for daily updates. So all I really want to say is I think it's too early to go all in. It's too early to buy into Bitcoin, at least right now, unless you're just playing the bounces. If you're playing the trend line bounces, playing the channel bounces, then go for it. The price is adhering very closely to the trend line. I mean, look, we bounced here, we bounced essentially twice here, twice here, twice here, once here, and then we also adhered to the channel line right there. So the very basic trend line analysis is working like a charm here. So I would recommend if you want to just make a couple flips here and there, use these trend lines that I've drawn out here. This is TradingView that I'm using. If you can make your chart look like this one here, then I think you can play the fluctuations pretty well. But I don't recommend any long positions because I think we're going to sell off. The next support, I think we're really going to encounter. Maybe we bounce off of 11,000 again. Maybe not. We've already bounced once before. I think we're going to be looking at the $10,000 psychological support, and then ultimately, I think I said this last night. I've been saying it for a while. Right here, where these where we reach the bottom here, and it's pretty close to where the short and medium-term trend lines intersect there. That's just below $9,000. Call it 8,500, somewhere around in there. I think that's going to be our rock bottom for Bitcoin. Now, I could be wrong. Maybe we. Another way to look at this is here's our low, but it is our low for today, but it is higher than yesterday's low. So it's possible that we're starting to build a little bit of a bullish, some bullish momentum here, but we haven't broken out of the bearish channel. So I'm not confident in that yet. I still think we have a little bit of selling pressure. I was meaning to look at the volume. How does that compare? So it's actually been some pretty strong volume. So I was going to say if all this selling happened on weak volume, then I would say that lends even more significance toward what I'm saying about there being some more selling pressure on the way, but there has been quite a bit of volume, so um, take that as you will. Really, that's all I wanted to say. Trend lines working out really well. Fibonacci, who needs it? There you go. Do we have any questions? Probably not, because I said I wasn't going to be addressing any live chat. Yeah, we got nothing. Christopher Abbott says hello. Hello, man. Thanks for checking in. I just wanted to update you guys real quick, but I'm going to go ahead and sign off for the night. So keeping that short and sweet. Thanks again, everyone, for the support. Hope you're able to trade this stuff efficiently and make some money, even in this down market. I would like to mention, look at this. I just noticed 10x has been one of my top holdings for a very, very long time. Oh my gosh. I don't know what changed, but this is a, so we're up here somewhere. CoinMarketCap hasn't even updated. This is that a new all-time high? No, it's not, but very, very close. So we have this, if this comes to fruition, if we set a new all-time high here at about 560, I think we're going to pull back, especially since Bitcoin is currently in the process of pulling back. We'll probably pull back a little bit, probably back below $5. But then if we break out after that, it's going to be upwards and onwards for real, because we will have successfully completed this long-awaited cup and handle formation. So I'm very eager to see if that actually comes to fruition. But I don't know if there's some news that I missed. Let's check Crypto Panic. Nothing immediate. This is awesome. I hope I wake up a much richer person tomorrow. I'm very, very happy to see this. Even though Bitcoin is selling off, it looks like the broader market is still being a little bit resilient. We were at 600 billion for our market cap today at the high. Now we're down to 542. So that's about a 10% sell-off all across the market for today. But some of the coins are still faring very well, even all things considering. Bitcoin Cash is up 16%. Litecoin is still in the green, 7.5% there. We have NEM and Monero both up almost 10%. Verge is still up 100%. I can only imagine that it's going to sell off a little bit with Bitcoin. But so yeah, what are we looking at? 43.8% now for Bitcoin dominance. It's losing dominance steadily. I think we're going to see continued divergence in the price of Bitcoin and the altcoins. I expected it from Ripple more than we've been seeing. Ripple is actually selling off with Bitcoin, not too strongly, but I mean that's a definite pullback. Very interesting, very interesting. All right, I gotta go to bed. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. Peace. Catch you guys next time.